Hi, I'm Verusca and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I got a lot of emails, people asking me to show the technique I use for my suspended chandelier. So I decided to make this video for you. I already have one, a mini one on my December video where I show my Verusca favorite things. There's a mini video there showing, but I decided to make a new one for you. And of course, to give a special mention to Kell'y Cake Toppers, because she is the one that introduced me to the lids, the acrylic lids. So I wanted to say a big thank you to her, because not only she sent me a new kit with my name engraved, she also made by order for me, because I asked her to make the lids a little bit bigger, 1 millimeter bigger, so I don't have to cut my cake, resize my cake to ganache and heavy crumble everywhere. I want it to be quick and easy. Get the cake, you put the lids on and ganache. So Kell'y, thank you so much. She's been supporting my career for a long time and been helping me a lot. So I wanted to give a big shout to her. And if you can support her YouTube channel and visit her website, she can make anything that with acrylic. So cake toppers, your name and numbers, even the scrapers. She is fantastic, lovely lady too, so thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to leave a like. And this method to do the top lid was also her idea. She is on YouTube, so you can watch her video with more detail. But she said to me, just use the glad go between and put on your acrylic on the top one. Save a lot of time with these lids. But so I'm doing what she's suggests. So basically putting stick tape on the top, stretching the glad, and what is good is it's very stretchy, because if you try to do this with baking paper, you're gonna end up full of corners. To what the idea is not having absolute, not one corner. So when I put the sticky tape, you can see I'm stretching the plastic a little bit. So I have nice and round, no sharp edges. So when I go with my scraper on the sides, it will be nice and flash. Everything nice and flash, like you can see here on the other ones that I just did. And then of course I have a lid. Now this lid was a special made for me, so I can put this lid there, and you can see it's a couple of millimeters bigger than my cake board, and that's exactly what I want. And now I put my cake lid there on top of my cake. It's very important to see if they are lying together. The cake upside down, just to make sure that the lid is really tight in position. It's up to you. You can use your level to see if the cake is level. And I'm just gonna go around. My ganache is very thick now because I've been sitting here in the studio.